Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see internet download manager. When I registration at that time it's facing like error. Now we check it for the I am given my purchased for license key is there. I am given that also description. Okay, go and check. For this now I am fulfill it and register. At the time his error is comes. Okay, now how to we solved this problem. See this, I'm given the description. Download the description for the link. Now it is going. I am check for internet download manager. In this search bar, this is like error. Some internet manager, some is product key is incorrect, something like is come. Okay, when I try open after it is facing like errors, how to resolve the issue? Okay, then what we do, close everything, and I am given the in description link. Go and download internet download manager for the tool. This tool is for legal in internet download manager tool. This tool is resetting for that error. Okay, first put up to date version. After register, processing going. After trial, this trial for your purchased at the time you given that pack, you get it now. Okay, that time just registered and just enable the trial one. Automatically click and continue. What happened? It is 30 days time. That means 30 day trial period complete. After it is automatically is working for this product. Okay, I am day by day we are given for also another videos in description. Go and check it here. Any if doubt is there, comment section comment me, I will reply you, no problem. Okay, now what's working. Thank you friends, thank you for watching Infinity Gainers. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity.